Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw ripples on Kraken. So first of all, what you need to do, hit the portfolio at the bottom right, scroll a little bit down, and try to pin down your ripple. Right? In my case, I don't have ripples, but I'm gonna go with crypto. I'm gonna go with Bitcoin. But if you have ripples, just do the same steps that I do now. Okay. Now what you're gonna do? You're gonna see the same button, withdraw. Hit withdraw, and select your network. All right. Once you select your favorite network, you're gonna see that I don't have a wallet address. Go ahead and hit wallet address if you don't have wallet address in your crypto or in your ripples. And then what you're gonna do, just hit the new address generated by your favorite wallet, let's say Phantom Wallet, whatever, right? And paste the address here and hit next to confirm that you want to withdraw. They will send you an email, obviously, to confirm that you want to withdraw your ripples on Kraken, and just confirm that you made that transaction. Basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.